First day here at our retaining wall job. We're going to be ripping out this fieldstone wall. As you can see, it's failing. Guy said it's a pretty old wall. We're going to be taking out this chain link here as well. Putting in new steps. Wall comes down to here. Wall's going to keep the same layout. It's going to be about the same height, 3 feet. I want to try to put a little time lapse together, show you guys the process, what it takes. Got to take down a fence panel right here to be able to get the equipment in and out of the yard. We got the Mini and the Bobcat over there. We got the fence down and now we're demoing the wall. I'm basically scooping it up with the excavator, dropping it in the bucket, and he's hauling the loads out front. I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is day 2. Got the whole wall out. Now we're going to start cleaning this edge up, digging our footer. That's basically how this trench is going. This concrete was already tore up, cracked all over the place, so naturally when we're digging next to it, cause some of it to sag, but we'll put the pieces back in as best as possible. The homeowner's already talking about redoing something here, maybe pavers. And this found some old drain pipe as well. But it's coming along good. All right, we got our gravel in. Our first lift. It's about 3 inches of gravel in there right now. The first one we do a little light, so it compacts into the dirt real well. He's gonna run that back and forth through that trench about 4 times back and forth. It's day 4. And well, I'll actually call it day 3.5 because we got to stop early because of the rain. But we got our base in. Start the first row of blocks. We put the second row of blocks on top just for the weekend because I didn't want anybody to walk on them and knock them out of level. but we still need to fill our inside cavities. Started getting our steps figured out. The corner here, and then the other corner block is there. This will come out, that'll be a corner, and then there'll be 2 blocks for the steps all the way back. So we'll be back at it on Monday. Alright, this is day 5. We got 2 layers of the walling filled with gravel. Start the backfill. We're getting ready to put our drainage pipe in there. We got the outline of our steps here. It's coming along. Wall's coming along. That's our top row right there. Just got to backfill, fill our blocks in, finish up these steps. It's our last day. We're still doing our finishing touches, but just about wrapped up. Wall's done. Got the ground graded out. That's topsoil back there. We're getting ready to put the seed and the straw down. Gonna cut this pipe right here, cut this back, about right there. Really shouldn't get much water flow out of that anyway. That's basically just backup, because all the stone behind it is what's going to be the primary source of drainage. There it is. I'll take a couple photos once everything's 100% wrapped up. I just wanted to get this video in before it gets dark. Nowadays it's getting dark at like 4:30. All right. Till next time.